I was contracted to remove this fan here. There was a fan, I already took it down. And because it was not centered, move it over to the center of the room. This is a concrete ceiling. Okay, so it looks like that part is done. This wire mold, which is what this metal track is called, was not only attached to the ceiling with these screws here and the plate, but it was also attached by caulk. So it was up like this and caulked. Basically, to get this down, I used a caulk removing tool along there, and then I used this flathead screwdriver with the hammer to knock it and knock it and knock it. I have now taken off the wire mold. So now I just need to put up the new one. And then I can open the box and start the fan. Today I'm putting up this fan, and I'm just starting using instructions and a video. And basically I have to remove this piece from this piece. I already took this cover, or canopy ring as it's called, off by turning it. And now I have to take out this screw and this screw, the wires, got the tester, and obviously screwdrivers and wrenches. Got the measuring tape, make sure everything's measured properly so that I can only do this once and get it done and move on to the next job. It comes with this cardboard wrapped around it, and I have to remove that. So I remove that. Now I have to set up the rest. I've got to loosen this screw and do a couple of other things to set this up. I have set up the whole track, put the wires through. I still have to cut the end of this wire a little bit more, and then I've already cut the end of this wire with my wire cutters. Electricity is not running through the ceiling here. I have to use one of these. This time I'm using a plastic wire mold or wire racetrack. Time to drill the holes to put up the plastic racetrack. After a lot of effort and a lot of work, I have now installed the PVC wire mold. I have them connected. I have the white wire with the white. I have the green, two green cables with the neutral. And I have the black and blue with the black house power. And that is because with the ceiling fan, I'm also going to install an optional light kit, which will go at the bottom here. It's really amazing what us women can do when we are really determined to get something done. Now, the people here will quote it $448 to have this fan installed, and here I have installed it. It's a beautiful fan. I just finished tightening these blades. That's done, and I've tested to make sure that the electricity is on, which you can see it is. I have hooked the light switch on to what will be connected to the fan. That's the cover.
That's how it's going to look.
And voila! I have a working fan here with a light kit. Beautiful, centered. The only last thing that needs to be done is to repair where the old track used to be.